Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some mail that I received from Kathy's Favorite Things here on YouTube. I believe this was from something I participated in, but we're gonna check it out. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. It says follow your heart. I love this memory decks card. Pretty Kathy. I like the shiny of all the glitter. So cute. The pearls for the number style. Pretty. And this was for the giving back challenge. That's what it was. So let me see. The weight of the memory decks is substantial, so I know she has backed it a few times. See, like that. And how pretty. This is her information. She's a December baby and her favorite colors are pink and gold. Can you tell? Pearls, holographic, anything girly, milk chocolate, and that's her Instagram. You can follow her there. I'll have her link in my description box below to her Instagram as well as her YouTube channel. So pretty. Love it. Look at her business card she has too. So professional, girl. But look at how fun. Fun with everyone. And it's Disney ears. Mickey, look at these beads. They're already, well, not this one's, but that's okay because look at how fun these beads are. And these chipboard pieces that she has included. Aw, I love it. They're Mickey. Do you guys know that I made my reservations for Disneyland? I am going next month in July to celebrate my daughter's 18th birthday. We will be in the park for her birthday. I am so excited. So I'll keep you posted. But yeah, so how cute. And then these, they're already wire wrapped. Oh, bless you, girl. Because I can't see very well to wrap. Thank you. Look at how pretty. Oh, I love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Kathy. Thank you for sharing your embellishes with me. I appreciate it. So like I said, you'll find her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below, so you guys can go check her out. She does a lot of hauls, makeup reviews, crafty stuff. You'll find lots of inspiration on her channel, so go check her out. She is Kathy's Favorite Things here on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for choosing to come back and spend your time with me. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!